Hello friends, welcome to APK English YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make video on letter sound of English alphabet so that you could get rid of your problems while reading words, sentences and paragraphs. So please watch this video till the end in order to understand in better way. So let us start this video. As we know, all letters have their own sounds when it comes into words, sentences and paragraph. So here I am going to give some letter sound so that you could understand the sound in better way. The letter A has 5 different sounds: short A, long A, schwa A, broad A and R control A. I want to give the short A sound: bad, had, mine, right, sat, flat, bag, so on. If you want to get more words, you can refer to dictionary and Google in order to understand more a short sound. If this video is helpful, you can share to your friends and relatives so that they may follow my channel in order to understand in better way. I need your help and support so that I could bring more videos related to English grammar and English language. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.